Hey guys, today in this video, I'll guide you through how you can extract frames from a video. Watch till the end to grab everything properly. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, we're going to need a free tool to do this, and that tool is called VLC Media Player. Simply open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for VLC Media Player download. After that, open the second website and then download the software using the download button. Then just run it as a normal installation. Then what you need to do is go and open it up. Once you've opened it up, tap on the media feature at top left corner and then tap on open file. Now you just need to open the target video. There's two ways to extract frames. You can either get a single frame or extract all of them. In order to extract a single frame, simply go to the top, tap on video, and then tap on screenshot. As you just saw there, it tells you where it is. For me, it was in my pictures folder. To break down a whole video into frames, go to the top left corner and tap on tools. Inside it, tap on preferences and then come to the bottom left corner and tap on all. In your advanced preferences, what you need to do is scroll down until you see the option for video. Once you find it, you may need to expand it. After that, click on filters, expand it again and scroll down until you see the option for scene filter. Now, choose the image format of the frames. I will select PNG. With image width and image height, you can keep these at -1 as VLC will adapt to the video characteristics. After that, you will need to enter a path for the directory. For that, open a File Explorer and create a new folder. Once you are done, click on the path bar at the top and copy it. Then get back to VLC and paste the path. The recording ratio is the ratio of images to record. So 3 means that 1 image out of 3 is recorded. So in my case, I'm just going to keep it 50. Once you're happy with these settings, click on the Save button and then get back to it. This time, tap on Filters and here you can see the Scene Video Filter feature. Simply click on it like this and press Save. Now, close the application and play the target video. After playing it, make sure to not to pause it. After it's done, get to the destination folder and the extracted frames will be displayed. In order to disable it, access Tools, then Preferences, and then make sure all is selected in the bottom left. Here, scroll down to Video, then tap on Filters and make sure to untick Scene Video Filter. So that's basically how you can extract frames from a video. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.